A what?
A bicycle.
Bicycle?
I got a bicycle.
You do? Where'd you get that?
A couple of
My bike was behind the barn, and he goes, you know what?
He took that bicycle for no reason.
Who did?
The guy did the work around here.
Yeah, the maintenance man takes bikes and just, if these kids leave them lay around, he throws them away.
Your bicycle is the best one. Look, she's been
Oh,
with
cat!
cat.
Dad, look at Kitty.
You
I'm
see
squeezing
that?
through.
I'm getting
Oh,
that
down
cat.
there? Oh, don't scare it. I like cat.
Drive your truck.
I don't like
Daddy, watch out.
You don't want to get hit by the truck.
Oh yeah, I got to have a bicycle out here. It fell down.
Oh, you did?
I got some scratches right there.
Oh no, that sucks. Sorry about that, Daddy.
It's a little kid. Leave it out there, and then we want to leave it.
You like that, Shawn?
Oh, I like that. That's cool for you. It's not a bicycle.
He likes it. It's just something to play with, huh, Shawn?
Yeah. But don't leave it out here.
There's no
Lighten it up.
on the course. You have to just take away my bike.
Where's the cat at?
Shawn or Connor?
Yeah. You nice?
Oh, you trying to run me over, huh? Yeah.
Oh, look at
You would like to do that, wouldn't you?
Husky. Look at
Signing off, YouTubers. Shawn out here playing with this truck on a November day. It's really nice for Michigan weather. We are having a ball.
Daddy.
Someone over there walking a dog. Pretty husky. Yep. Shawn and Dottie chilling.